when last we checked, we were doing, and I'm just going to do this the normal way, I'm not going to mirror it. We were out, rise, fall, hold the ball. I'm sinking, stepping, and over. There we go. Now, what do we do from here? Let me start off all the way over, and I'm going to rise, fall, hold the ball, and you can do this with me. Sink into the right leg, step back and over with the left, push your weight forward, turn this back foot in forward so the back toes turn 45 degrees and we push forward. Now we're just going to do the walking for now. In this step, we shift back and notice my front toes come up as I sink my knee back into that back foot. So sink forward, my front knee bends, my back knee bends, my hips are lined up here. Front knee in, back. From here, I'm turning my front toes to the left. So my left foot, along with my hips, along with my shoulders, along with my head, everything turns to the left 45 degrees. That gets us ready for the next step. And we rock step forward. Have your balance, feel yourself press your weight forward, step this right foot forward and in. Notice this back foot is 45 degrees. I still have space between my legs and I push forward. I rock my hips back, front toe comes up, open, forward. I'm in. I feel my weight. This is where your balance comes in. Your head is up, everything is lined up, and you sink in here, stepping forward, pushing forward. Then we rock back and we open. All right, very nice. Let's do that again. So we're here. We already know that we step out. Oh, that's poison ivy. Nice. We step out. We rise. We fall. We hold the ball. We step out to the left and forward, rolling, pivoting, back, open, in, forward, back, open, forward, back, open, forward, back, open, forward, back, open. All right, let's do that again. So from here, and what you're going to want to do is you want to get this step down. You want to be comfortable with this step because it shows up a lot. So instead of even worrying about the beginning part, we're just going to do this step. So get all the way over to the right. You can be staring at the screen and you'll see me, right? Turn your right foot 45 degrees and we're going to step. Make sure that you're out, railroad tracks, not a tightrope, and forward, push forward. Rock back. This is more simple than it seems. All we're doing is two things. This little rock step, stepping forward. When I step forward, I'm into my front leg. When I rock step, I'm in the back leg. I step forward and I rock step back. I step forward, I rock step back. I step forward, I rock step back. Let's come back the other way. Left foot out, step forward, And you want to get a feeling for this. It's not that difficult. We're just going forward, rock step, forward. But it's that feeling of I'm sinking into my legs. My left leg is bent towards the toe. Everything is aligned. We're moving together. And we rock step back. Here, I step in, I have my balance, and then I step forward and shift my weight. And rock step, forward, rock step, and forward, rock step. Get it? Here we go. We're going to turn the right foot out, and we're back. Step forward, back, rock step. Forward, rock step. Forward, rock step. Forward, rock step. Forward, and rock step. Excellent. Get that stepping pattern down before you move on to the next